You see, the third Dalai Lama, the previous Dalai Lama, have many old-fashioned of watch. So since my childhood, I always fond of these as a watch. Some are too old, not working properly, and also is partly by nature. As soon as I got something, I play toy. A few minutes I play, then try to open what is inside. So that's the way to learn something. Then later these days, that knowledge sometimes is quite helpful. Some watch or some, you see, certain mechanic thing, if something wrong, then usually I can repair. So that I can save some money. Sometimes I satisfy. Sometimes instead of, improving, sometimes make worse.